engithiwa Jehova ndoda yamadoda lalela lana kumyalezo yengisho kuwe Jehova engithiwa Jehova mfowethu lalela nathi ndaba engisho kuwe ngizwe kahle ubathatha kanjani abantu sibathandayo ubathatha kanjani isho ubathatha kanjani khuluma ndoda khuluma asho wena ubathatha kanjani abantu engibathandayo ungithathela isihlobo sami lalela la ngisho kuwe mina ngekulibona